We'll start with a ride to Linh Quang Pagoda, the first temple built in this city, also known as Linh Quang Ancestral House. Welcome to our first stop, Linh Quang Dragon Pagoda. Linh Quang Pagoda is a historic Buddhist temple located in Dalat, Vietnam, and is recognized as the city's first temple, often referred to as the Linh Quang Ancestral House. Founded in 1931 by Most Venerable Thich Ca, the pagoda has undergone significant restorations under successive abbots, particularly in 1958 and 1972 under Thich Ca. One of the pagoda's most distinctive features is its unique architecture, which beautifully combines traditional Vietnamese and modern styles. The curved roof is embellished with colorful earthenware in the shapes of mythical creatures such as dragons, unicorns, turtles, and phoenixes. Inside, visitors can explore several halls dedicated to various Buddhist deities, including the main hall where Shakyamuni Buddha is worshipped alongside Bodhisattva, Avalokitesvara, and Dharma Protector. The complex also includes an ancestral house dedicated to Bodhidharma and several stupas. The cultural significance of Linh Quang Pagoda is highlighted by its recognition from King Bao Dai in 1938, making it an important religious site for Buddhists in Vietnam. Among its artistic features is a statue of Quan the Am displayed on the back of a long, reinforced cement dragon. The temple grounds feature a winding dragon in the garden, flanked by pairs of unicorns and phoenixes standing on turtle shells. In Buddhism, these creatures, dragons, unicorns, turtles, and phoenixes, are revered as the four sacred animals, each embodying rich cultural and spiritual meanings. They are often depicted in Buddhist art, representing virtues central to Buddhist teachings. The dragon, or naga, symbolizes power, strength, and good fortune. Often depicted with a pearl, it represents inner peace and wisdom. The unicorn, a symbol of wisdom and morality, is associated with the teachings of Buddha. The turtle, or kurma, signifies longevity and patience, embodying the pursuit of spiritual enlightenment and purity. The phoenix, or Garuda, symbolizes beauty and transformation. To the right of the yard lies the Garden of Eden, featuring an image of the newborn Buddha, pointing to the sky and earth, symbolizing the cycle of reincarnation, birth, aging, sickness, and death. Each phase reflects the journey of life. Birth represents new beginnings in the emergence of life. Aging signifies the inevitable decline of the body as it matures. Sickness refers to the health challenges faced throughout life. Death marks the irreversible end of existence. This cycle reminds us of the universal experience shared by all beings. It encourages us to live meaningfully, fostering compassion and goodness to ensure a fulfilling life in the afterlife, while neglecting these virtues could lead to darker paths. This is Mr. Lee from EasyWriter.vn.